It was expected and feared with a radically different brand communication. Here is the concept 00, copy nothing. Jaguar reinvents itself, changes logo, changes era, and offers its manifesto of exuberant modernism. With its shooting brake or fastback profile as Jaguar describes it, the Type 00 is the prelude to a future generation of Jaguar which will rediscover the spirit and essence of the brand at the top of its art. The first 0 refers to zero emissions. The second expresses the status of Car Zero in the new line. The concept 00 is based on the Jaguar architecture, which was developed from scratch to enable the design of the Type 00. The first new generation Jaguar will be a four-door GT, which will be revealed at the end of 2025. The target is to achieve a range of up to 770 kilometers WLTP or 692 kilometers EPA with a fast charge of 321 kilometers in just 15 minutes.